Icelandic authorities have declared a state of emergency following a series of powerful earthquakes that shook the country's southwestern Reykjanes peninsula, indicating an elevated risk of a volcanic eruption in the region. The village of Grindavik, housing around 4,000 people, has been evacuated. It is situated 1.86 miles from the epicenter, where 1,400 earthquakes occurred in the past 24 hours. On Thursday, the Blue Lagoon, along with its geothermal plant near Grindavik, the primary provider of electricity and water to 30,000 residents, has been closed off to the public.